So how many might you have at one time?
But well, now when I work, let's say in my studio, I have. I got a little sidetracked here. There are like there's this area of about 30 square feet, and I pin down maybe 4 paintings at the same time, 4 smaller paintings at the same time. That's not unusual. Or 2 really big paintings at the same time.
And are the colors quite varied in all these paintings, or do you have certain colors you're working with more?
Yeah, that's how it is. When I have them down, I have a certain batch of paint which is already ready to go, and those colors tend to go into all these different paintings which I have going.
So here, which ones have you done more or less at the same time?
At the same time, see, then also, oh, that's hard. Well, let's see. Oh, I don't know anymore, honestly. Yeah, it's like this one took a very long time, but it's from the first batch. This took a long time, and then I was thinking about moving it over, moving this. They also have the tendency to just expand. When you I had this area, and I really tried to hold on to this area here, oops, and to move over. I'm getting sidetracked a little bit. You asked me which one I did at the same time. I think that maybe this one was from the very beginning. This one was from the very beginning. You can see the purple, yeah. Then maybe this too. Yeah, I used a lot of purple at the beginning, purple and green. I do think that those 2 colors actually came from Maine. The cooler tones and the blueberry association, drinking blueberry mojitos. And but it also was like, it's very fun because like a landscape or like a certain location gives you the information of a new color, and you get to experience it. Like, I've never been able to use purple very well. Whenever I used purple, I would end up ruining a painting. I don't exactly know why that is, but it has changed. So the good experience is that you really learn too when you push a little forward, and that has been very rewarding, because one of the things about painting is also the feeling that you get to know more, that you end up growing while you're doing it, and that's the fun part. That's really the fun part, besides making the picture or hoping to end up with a picture.